there will be more interest in printmaking, more and more due to this. If we all can meet again from time to time and think of some activities, because printmaking, somehow I am very much enamored by something called printmaking. It's not easy, I always find it's challenging. It is something which can be very deep in thought process. I don't have much art language, we'll speak later. But I have seen I see one old interview of Amir Hussain also where he was talking to Mr. Relia of Archarat Gallery, and he was mentioning that there was a time when for the first time he had suggested him to Mr. Relia to do a print out of I mean that was a print of painting series, not this method. But why I am saying is in that serigraph method, Mr. M. F. Hussain told specifically that they had first kept a serigraph for 25 rupees and not even one got sold. And today it is moving ahead, going in thousands and lakhs. So maybe this type of prints also which are there, where a lot of hard work is involved, dry point, etching and all. I think we all should take it to a next level somewhere. I feel with audience support, I think that can be done. I request Mr. Secretary that you nominate. Everyone can take from your participants.
Wait. Yeah, okay, thank you.
So, I really do not know for how long you had this workshop.
4 days.
Okay. And maybe for many of you, it must have been for the first time. And printmaking is a very satisfying, but a lot of hard work. It's a very satisfying medium because you can add, and dry point initially looks very difficult, but it really calms you down and makes you think of form in a very spontaneous manner. So I really saw all those elements in the exhibition and enjoyed many of the works because of the ingenuity and the color that you used of just the line or what you have depicted. And we see the inner world as well as the outer world, and or whatever very simply that you depicted. Even animals have been drawn and very nicely done. So I congratulate all of you to engage in this medium, and I wish that you continue this for a long time and build a portfolio as Jaivalji was saying. Thank you.
My congratulations to Parajay Art Foundation and all the artists who have taken part in this camp, for this camp. And obviously, by the results, you have done good work. And I wish that you do well in life and in selling these pieces. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you all for your participation.
Okay, friends, today is opening this show. Please come at the State Art Gallery in Madhapur, Hyderabad, Telangana. Very wonderful works, printmaking works also stay. Very excellent. Please come and visit. If you are interested, you buy the paintings also. You buy the work. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, my dear friends. Thank you.